Okay, Lee here. This is the final video. I'm adding the potato chips. The water's boiling. We put ketchup on the heart-shaped roll. Whoop, whoop. I'm dropping potato chips on the floor because I'm messy. Okay. Oh, that's hot water. Oh yeah, I filled it to water. I filled it to it to the top with water. Okay, so we got regular potato chips. Okay, let's get some more over here. This is gonna be so good. Okay. I'm sticking my fingers in boiling water. Okay, use utensils. Just don't follow my lead. Okay, all right. So we don't want those on the heart because we don't want a lot of ketchup in the water either. Okay, the last and final step, besides dropping it onto the floor. Okay, that was it. I ruined it. Good thing my boyfriend's locked up and I'm eating by myself.